Hi guys, Greg here. Now, listen, I've got a question for you. Do you like chicken? Well, that's a good start. Now, do you like garlic? Perfect. Well, have I got the recipe for you. It's so easy and so simple. It's really chickeny and garlicky. You'll throw it together in no time and the whole family will love it. Quick, simple, typical Greg's Kitchen recipe. Let's start cooking.
This is all the ingredients I'm using. I've just got some chicken here, some dry red wine,
Thyme and oregano, or as we call it here in Australia, oregano.
salt, pepper, chicken broth,
And a farm full of garlic. Oh yeah. I told you it was going to be garlicky. Anyway, let's start throwing this together. Now for this recipe today, I'm using chicken thighs. So let's grab these out. Oh my goodness! Have a look at the size of these thighs. Who's the chicken? Is Beyonce now breeding chickens or something? Holy cow! Anyway, normally I'd buy about 8 normal size thighs, but these Beyonce ones, I tell ya. So what we'll start to do is just season them with some salt and pepper. Give it a pat, give it a flip, and repeat. Now something else really awesome about this recipe is that we're cooking it all in this saucepan. So I've warmed it up, or is it off? Yeah, that's warmed up. So I'll chuck in some olive oil. Oh boy. And I'll chuck these Beyonces in. Oh, mate. And start cooking those. I'll put them in skin first so that skin gets nice and crispy, because we're going to flip them later and leave it sort of, well, actually it doesn't really matter. Just cook it about 5 minutes on each side. So while that chicken's cooking, I might as well start preparing this garlic. I've got 8 cloves here, which I'm going to crush. Woo-wee, that's a lot of garlic. I certainly won't be kissing any boys later on, that's for sure. Shame. Alright, let's see if it's nice and crispy on the other side yet. Oh yeah. So we'll give it about another 5 minutes on this side as well. Okay, so now that chicken should be cooked on both sides. Yep. It might still be a little bit raw in the middle, but don't worry about that yet, I hope. So we'll remove the chicken, put that aside. And now into the frying pan, we introduce our 8 cloves of garlic. 2 teaspoons of oregano, or as we call it in America, oregano. 1, 2, oh, it's nearly all finished. I'll just dump it all in. And 2 teaspoons of thyme leaves. 1, 2. And we'll just mix this until that garlic gets nice and aromatic. And once that happens, I've got half a cup here of chicken stock. And we add in half a cup of your sherry or red wine as well. This will help deglaze the saucepan, get rid of all the stuff on the bottom, scrape it all off if it's there. And this will turn into a jus. You probably can't see it because of the steam, but once it gets boiling, what I'm going to do is reintroduce the chicken. I'll put a skin side up because I want that skin to remain crispy-ish. Pour that juice in as well. Now I'm going to reduce the heat right down to a simmer and get my lid and cover that. Ooh, I nearly forgot. I always like to add a little bit of lemon to my chicken as well. So I'll throw some of that in. Okay. And we're just going to let that simmer away now for about 20 minutes. Can't wait. I tell you what, it's smelling all right already, and it's only been 30 seconds in. Anyway, we'll come back after 20 minutes and we'll suss it out, eh? See you then. Alright, well, the 20 minutes is up. Let's take a look. Whoa, mate! That looks so good. And the smell coming off it is just so beautiful. You can imagine. Anyway, let's stick it on a plate and see what it looks like there. And just to finish it off, we'll put some green stuff on top. And there you have it. Chicken in a garlic herb sauce. Woo-wee! Let's cut it open, see if it's nicely cooked inside. Oh yeah, take a look at that. How good does that look? Oh, and the smell's fantastic as well. Anyway, let's see what it tastes like. Whoa, mate! That tastes like something that you get from a Michelin star restaurant. It tastes so good. The chicken is so juicy and moist. The flavours of those herbs and garlic in there are just absolutely beautiful. They're not too overpowering, they're just perfect. If you've got a date night coming up and you want to impress, make one of these. I tell you what, it tastes absolutely awesome. Oh man, I'm gonna be licking my beard later on, getting all that juice out. If you do make it later on, let me know what you thought about yours. If you love the recipe, make sure you share it around as well with all your mates. Show this video some thumb and love. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe right here on Greg's Kitchen. Catch you then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made an amazing piece of chicken in a garlic and herb sauce. Michelin star, it deserves 2.